Stand up for what's right with the London School of Planning and Management. Are you ready to champion justice and navigate the intricate world of law? Our LSPM course is your pathway to becoming a legal advocate, equipped to tackle the complexities of today's legal landscape. From mastering contract law to delving into the realms of criminal justice, our comprehensive curriculum empowers you to defend rights and uphold the rule of law with integrity and expertise. Join us at LSPM and become a force for justice in an ever-changing world. Enroll now and embark on a journey where your passion for law transforms into a powerful tool for positive change. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.